Good day, family. James here with a quick video on HFX risk management. Okay, risk management is the second most important skill set to learn. Only second to discipline. Discipline is key. Number one, right? Risk management will either compound your account in a positive way, or it will decrease your account in a negative way. Obviously, HFX binary options trading is a very volatile style of trading, meaning it moves up and down at a high rate. But that said, you have an opportunity to learn a lot of lessons, meaning taking losses, right? If you're not disciplined and you're not using proper risk management, if your intention is to be a long-term successful trader, risk management will ensure that you are, okay? Before you begin trading, you have to have an overall plan, a roadmap to where you want to go, okay? Of how much you want to achieve, a goal set. You have to have a goal set. For example, if you want to make 10K in 4 months, you break that down, right? So each month you need to make 2,500. You break that down to days, right? So it's 25 days. We don't trade on the weekends, so 25 days in a month. You break down that 2,500, that's $100 a day, okay? So now you have a mindset of where I need to go each day, of how much I need to make each day. So now you set a plan. Which trading sessions am I going to get on? What go live sessions do I hang out on? Millie Mills, DL Woods, Matthew Thayer, Evan Cabral. There's a slew of go live educators that you can hop on with and make that $100 in a day. Okay. Now, if you do not have a plan, you can definitely go to compounddaily.org calculator, right? This site will assist you tremendously in creating your roadmap to get to your plan, right? I have another video on compounding your account, so check that out as well. Proper risk management for HFX traders is as follows. For each individual trade taken during your trading session, highly recommend, say it one more time, highly recommend you trade 1 to 3% of your account balance for each specific trade, okay? How you do that is you take your account balance and you multiply it by either 0.01 for 1%, 0.02 for 2%, 0.03 for 3% to calculate how much you would trade each specific trade during that session, okay? Now, beginners, I highly recommend you only trade 1%, okay? You don't understand the platform yet. You don't understand the different currency pairs. You don't understand the payout percentages. You don't understand the functionality of the platform or fixed time, you know, how to select the different time frames, right? Read the chart, catch the number in time, things like that. So you're new. So I only want you to risk 1% per trade. Okay, so you calculate your account balance by 0.01. That's what you do for beginners, right? Moderate traders, you guys are a little bit more experienced. You've been trading a little bit, you know, over 3 months, 3 to 6 months, you've been trading it. So now you get a choice between 1 to 2%, right? You get a choice between 1 to 2%. But once you hit a point to where you've been trading and you've been using a strategy, for example, Cash Trap 2.0, and you've been pretty successful, then you can go to the next level of quote unquote expert, right? That means you've been trading a little bit more than 6 months, and now you get a choice of selecting a percentage of your trade, right? Your risk will be 1 to 3%. Excuse me. Okay. So again, how you calculate that is 0.01 or 0.02 or 0.03 of your account balance to figure out what you're trading each specific trade during that trading session. Okay. So you understand the platform a whole lot better. You know, you're familiar with the different currency pairs and how they move. So you can absolutely make a choice of how much you want to risk per trade. All right. Now, there is such a thing as bad days. There will absolutely be bad days during your trading career, right? So it's going to have those days where it seems like nothing is going right, where you can't win a trade. For some strange reason, you feel like the brokers are cheating you, right? So this is a part of risk management as well. The rule is if you lose 5% of your balance, right, that is 0.05 times your balance. If you lose that amount, then it's time to stop. You quit. You're done for the day, right? There will absolutely be great days on the opposite of that, okay? So great days are you can't lose. You haven't lost a trade. You won 3, 4, 5 consecutive trades. But the rule of thumb, risk management is a part of that as well. If you hit your percentage, 5 to 8% of increasing your balance in that session, it's time for you to exit, take a break, go celebrate your success, and tell a friend, right? Don't be selfish about your winnings and things like that, right? So also a part of this is DL Woods shared a HFX compound sheet auto withdrawals, right? And I'm going to share that with you here as well. This is the spreadsheet here. Basically what it is it's a spreadsheet that calculates your risk that you're taking, and it shows you the numbers. It gives you the visualization of the numbers, right? So most brokers, you have to start off with $250, right? Which is here, right? And then I said 1 to 3%. So we put 3% at the max, right? We tab, and it automatically functions for you. So $250 balance, you're risking 3%. You're only trading $7.50 each trade. Okay. And then once you figure out how the platform works, each currency pair has different payout percentages. So you would adjust this number here, but just for this example, you have 70% of the payout, which would be $5.25 added to that $7.50, giving you $12.75. That's going back to your balance. Okay. So then you would be left with a $255.25 balance after that first trade that you won. Okay, then it goes to the next trade, right? So this is based off of a 10 trade session, right? So then now you've traded, you're going to trade 3% again, vice versa, 3%. You're trading $12.75. Same thing, 70% payout. You get $8.93, right? You leave it in there. You're not taking anything out. You're reinvesting everything. Now you have you've gotten $21.68 back from the trade. Now your balance is at $264.18, and so on and so forth. This spreadsheet goes through and shows you your calculations and things like that. But now what DL Woods likes for people to do is to stop your belief check to make sure that you see that this is real, so you can withdraw 10%. That's totally up to you how you want to do that. But this is a great tool for you to use to see how you can calculate your risk management, and you can see it visually. Okay. So again, risk management, proper risk management is absolutely key. I cannot express enough how important it is for you to use proper risk management. If you use it, you will absolutely prolong your trading career. My name is James. I'm in the chats. I'm in Telegram. I have a YouTube page. If you look me up by my name, James Hooker, I have videos breaking down certain things, the compounddaily.org, HFX, how to use the platforms, et cetera, et cetera. So that's the video, family. I really do appreciate your time. Pray you have a blessed day.